Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Jessica Rahma with name 1924-249, class 191C17. Address smoking on campus. Today, I want to address a topic that affects all of us, which is smoking on campus. Next. This issue is not just about personal choice, it's about the health and well-being of our entire community. As we know, smoking poses serious health risks not only to the smokers themselves but also to those around them through secondhand. Okay, next. According to the CDC, non-smokers who are regularly exposed to secondhand smoke are at an increased risk for respiratory problem, heart disease, and even lung cancer. With this fact in mind, it's clear that smoking is not just an individual concern. It's a public health issue that we must confront together. Many institutions have recognized this and have taken steps toward becoming smoke-free environments. These policies aim to promote the healthier campus atmosphere where all students can thrive. Okay, next. Imagine walking to class without the worry of inhaling harmful smokes. Imagine a campus where the air is pressure and our focus can remain on learning and growth. However, we also need to consider the right of individuals. People may feel that they should have the freedom to smoke in designated area. I believe that finding a balance is crucial. We can create specific smoke areas that are away from high traffic zones, allowing smokers to maintain their habits without compromising the health and comfort of non-smokers. In conclusion, we have a responsibility to advocate for a healthier campus while also respecting individual choices. Let us work together to create a space that promotes well-being of our environment. Whether you're smokers or non-smokers, we all share this campus, and it's time we foster an environment that reflects our community's commitment to health, respect, and community. Adverb of frequency. Definition and purpose. What are adverbs of frequency? Adverbs of frequency tell us how often something happens. They answer the question, how often do you do something? And why are they important? They help us describe routines, habits, and behavior more clearly. And the second is common adverb of frequency or with percentage catch. Always 100% until happens all the times. Examples is she always wakes up at 6 a.m., usually 80 until 90% until happens most of the time. Example is we usually eat dinner at 7 p.m. Frequently is 70 until 80% until happens often. Examples, he frequently check his phones. Often 60 until 70% until happens regularly, but now but not always. Examples is they often go for a walk in the evening. Sometimes sport is 40 until 50% until happens about half the time. Ex- Example example is I sometimes eat breakfast. Occasionally 30% until happens every now and then. Examples, she occasionally read a book. Seldom is 10 until 20% until happens rarely. Example, we seldom go to the movies. Rarely is 5 until 10% until very infrequent. Example is he rarely drink soda. The ever, almost never, until almost doesn't happens. Example, they healthy, ever, adjective. Never, 0% until does not happen at all. Example, I never smoke. Next. Entry placement in a sentence with the main verb, place the adverb before the main verb. Example, she usually exercises in the morning with the verb to be. Please place the adverb after the verb to be. Example, they are always friendly. Next. 4. Example of daily routines using adverb of frequency. And first, I was brush my teeth before bed. And two, he usually drink coffee in the morning. And three, they sometimes go to the gym. And four, we never miss a family gathering. Okay, next. 5. Interactive ideas for presentation. Class 4 is asked question like, how often do you eat pizza? Have students respond with an adverb of frequency. And second, role until play. Have students describe their daily or weekly routines using adverb of frequency. And three, frequency lines create a line form always to never on the board and have students please various activities along the line according to how often they do them. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.